Hey tech enthusiasts! Glowing star today, we're diving into the latest buzz around Samsung's One UI 7 and the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Get ready for some juicy details. Camera with flash One UI 7 sneak peek. One UI 7 screenshots and hands-on pictures of the Galaxy S25 Ultra have surfaced, and we're here to break it all down for you. Although the beta release is still delayed, One UI 7 will come pre-installed on Samsung's next flagship device. Magnifying glass tilted left. First look by Android Authority. The exclusive One UI 7 samples and Galaxy S25 Ultra images were released by Android Authority. This is the same source that shared a hands-on video of the Galaxy S25 Ultra model. We've seen several revised quick settings UIs, and this time, the status bar, parts edit, and power menu toggles, coupled with settings, are showcased. Mobile phone new UI elements. The new UI features pixel-like tiles for Wi-Fi and Bluetooth by default, and a sizable section with fast toggles arranged in a 4x2 grid. You can extend this to highlight more quick settings toggles. The app drawer has also been unveiled, showing new icons and a stock Android-inspired search bar at the bottom. Camera app revamp. One UI 7 might include a revamped camera app for Galaxy devices, with expandable camera functions. Despite this, some toggles like lens resolution keys and flash indication may still be on the upper side of the viewfinder. Baby Samsung Kids app update. The Samsung Kids app, now at version 12.60.1.8, sports a new app icon with a blue and purple gradient. This new look features a younger-looking baby icon, aligning with One UI 7.0's design motif. Improved parental controls are also expected. Desktop computer. Innovative uses of Android OS. Samsung's One UI launcher separates its mobile products from competitors, while DeX offers a desktop-like environment for work on most Galaxy devices. Samsung Kids, although not productivity-oriented, keeps children entertained and allows parents to be more productive. Artist palette. Safe environment for kids. Samsung Kids functions like a light version of One UI for children. It helps parents regulate screen time and content access. With colorful cartoon characters, it restricts undesired purchases and access to the standard One UI interface, unless parents set exceptions. Calendar. One UI 7 beta program. Samsung has been testing internal builds of One UI 7, with the beta program expected to launch in mid-December 2024. This is a slight delay from the previously rumored mid-November launch. The beta will be available first in the US, South Korea, and Germany, allowing Galaxy S24 owners to try out new features. Rocket upgrades and enhancements. One UI 7 promises a better design, greater performance, and new functionality. The beta program helps Samsung receive user feedback to improve the update before its full release. Despite the delay, Samsung confirmed the One UI 7 beta release by the end of December 2024.